तो बॉयज सब अपने फोन निकालो और हम देखने वाले हैं द ट्रेलर ऑफ द मच अवेटेड बट शुडंट कम आउट राधे.
Oh, you mean Bhai Super Spreader event?
यस.
भाई सुपर स्प्रेडर ईद इवेंट.
ओके गाइस, प्लीज म्यूट पे जाओ और फिर देखो.
हाँ, ओके.
पहले ऐड आ रहा है यार.
एक like you had to just get YouTube Premium, like considering amount of time we spend on YouTube.
Oh my God! What a trailer!
क्या हुआ ये? It went from 0 to 400 so fast.
One second, guys. अभी 5 मिनट ब्रेक लेते हैं थोड़ा, just to unsee
Calm
what we
down.
watched.
I have a one sec. I don't know.
नहीं
Yeah, what?
ये तो नाइंसाफी है जो किया है हमारे साथ 1.5 मिनट के लिए. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Hello and welcome to the Internet Said So, a show where we take random, interesting, weird, absurd facts, stats, trivia, and personal stories, and we talk about them.
Or
And
do
today
whatever
we're
you
going to be
want with them,
discussing
man.
we're going to be discussing the Radhe trailer. Yeah, wow.
You know, I have a feeling Baba is going to remain exactly like this throughout this episode.
Yeah.
Baba
This
is
whole
done.
episode, Baba just going
Baba
to,
is-
oh.
You're not
Hey.
understanding something. Here's the problem. I haven't been able to watch the whole trailer with both my eyes. At any given point in time, I had to either shut this eye or shut.
One eye is constantly rolling up. It's like, क्या करूं?
No,
एक
but the
हाथ को
thing
ऊपर
is-
roll होना पड़ता है.
Can I tell you the
when you
most
watch it,
appalling thing? There's 2 minutes and 2 seconds of appalling things in that. But what the fuck is Nadia?
No, we'll go minute by minute.
Minute by
Okay.
minute.
Yeah,
Firstly-
let's go. Yeah.
first
Minute
thought on
by
watching-
minute.
First of all, he has
Second.
broken all
First
YouTube
thought on
rules.
watching the trailer is I almost get PTSD of ये मैंने देखा है पहले.
100%.
अरे,
Literally
at one point
मैंने
he just repeats
same
another dialogue from another film.
yeah.
And
No,
then
but
the
that's the
title
thing.
song, and then the title, there's a song about it saying that he is wanted. I'm like, what the fuck?
No, but you know, if you write a list down on 10 things you must have, okay, we will do that right now. Okay, just things that you know.
I think at
you're
the end of
going
this,
to have
we should make
in a
our own Salman
movie.
trailer. We should make
We
our own
will,
Salman trailer.
which Kautuk and I actually made
I've
on a
already
sketch
done.
show we did
Yeah.
6-7
Yeah.
years ago. Anyway, point being, एक तो सब same है. Like you didn't have to watch the trailer. You can still play it and just say the shots that are going to come. It's literally the same bloody template.
I have.
It's Salman.
Wow,
He's just shown up.
already. Holy
Every
shit.
time you watch his trailer, he shows up at your house.
क्या बोला तुमने?
Or, you know, like the thing is, when you see those title cards that keep coming in now, where literally the entire movie has been spelt out. ठीक है?
Yeah.
They have literally said, because there's a shot that happens followed by what that shot was, or like it'll say, oh, the city is ruined, and then वो drugs कर रहा है जैसा भी इसमें हुआ. It's you don't have to watch the movie. There is nothing left for
Yeah,
you
yeah.
to understand or take away. It's
Yeah,
just देखो मालूम है.
No, but
क्या मिल रहा है तेरे को?
you don't understand. Like, the Bhai film is the typical Bollywood film, jidhar you don't go to see what happens. You know
Yeah.
that. You go
How
to
it
see
happens.
how
Yeah.
it happens.
Yeah, that's
How?
true.
That is
It's
the
the
fucking
journey. It's not the destination.
Yeah.
Literally in a Bhai movie, it's always the journey.
इस बार
I
भाई
like-
कैसे टी-शर्ट निकालेगा?
I
बता
like-
दो मेरे को.
Exactly. And I like how other used it's the journey. ठीक है? It's the journey of the character from being one way and then like, ये जो भी writer है, ठीक है, the word journey has not come in any periphery of his brain.
Yeah.
ठीक है,
Bhai has
nowhere.
not done character graph for this character. Because-
What's the character? Bhai. Okay, that's it.
Bhai.
Next. You know, when you write, like when we write shows, we have to write character sketch. I feel ये वाले इसमें now they just sketched Salman.
Yeah.
What's the
There's no
character?
hero's
this?
journey.
You
It
know
is
something?
just hero.
You know something? Baba was asking me कि ये वो ईद वाला line end का that have they written it afterwards? I was like, no, Baba. They
Yeah.
start with that line.
They start with that line. It's
And just
almost
grow.
like that's
It's
how
the root.
that's how the writer came about, right? Producer गया बोला एक काम कर, एक line लिख. ये ईद पे बोलेंगे कि तेरे हिस्से की बिरयानी खाएंगे और बोलेंगे ईद मुबारक. ओके सर, अभी स्क्रिप्ट लिख. सर मतलब नहीं, अभी
अरे अपना book
रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली मेरे को पता क्या होता है कि कैरेक्टर ये लाइन पे पहुंच के ये लाइन बोलता है और ये मुझे कल तक चाहिए. सडनली इंटीरियर डे, अ मैन, भाई walks in slow motion.
Jackie Shroff. Jackie Shroff.
No,
You
wait,
will
we'll
see
come to
how
that.
people-
Can I just?
what-
I have three things. Okay. First of all, Bhai has broken every YouTube pre-roll conversation. Okay, because in the first 30 seconds, Bhai, in the first 6 seconds, Bhai is not there. Okay, he's only in the thumbnail. My other thing is, and this is a bigger problem. Apart from all the appalling exposition and the appalling thing, the one.
Appalling.
Another word that has not been in the periphery of the writer.
Yeah.
अरे इसमें एक्सपोजिशन देंगे सर, उसका मतलब नहीं, वो पोजीशन पे था, अभी वो पोजीशन भी नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
That's his
भाई फैमिली
exposition.
फिल्म करता है. There's no exposition. भाई फैमिली फिल्म करता है खाली.
अरे नहीं, लेकिन सर अगर भाई एक्सपोज नहीं करेगी तो भाई की बॉडी दिखेगी कैसे? अच्छा, सिर्फ भाई एक्सपोजिशन कर सकते हैं.
भाई एक्सपोजिशन कर सकता है. Nobody else.
Oh no, Baba. Oh no. What is the
खत्म
mise-en-scene?
तेरा argument is null and void.
नहीं नहीं
Your
बाबा, और
argument
बता
is
ना.
exposition.
और
What are the other problems, Baba? Please.
हाँ,
So no, I'm saying fuck all that. Okay, normally at least with Bhai films in thing, they've at least it's shot by a DOP of repute, and there's. I'm saying the stunts are whatever. Just one sec.
He's
I'm
done
coming
a
to a
bunch of
point.
films with Prabhu Deva, Baba.
No, that's director. The
whose
point.
qualification is dancing, right?
No,
So
yeah,
when
one
Salman's doing a
second.
scene, Prabhu Deva is just at the back.
DOP is calling Prabhu Deva.
सर आपका
सर ये शॉट कैसा लग रहा है? मस्त.
The problem is, here's
सर,
the issue.
I'm not understanding, sir.
One sec, hear me out.
भाई अभी तक एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं. जब यार से चला लोगों का दिल
Baba,
जला.
45 minutes later, we will get to give that third point. I'm
Sorry,
sorry.
Baba. Sorry.
हाँ,
Thing
sorry.
is,
Yeah.
though, have you noticed how all of the action scenes that have been shot indoors, okay, all of them seem like they've been shot like it's not an underlit problem. It's just like the scanning of the there's a footage problem. It's like it's shot with a shadi ka camera. You know what I'm saying? Like it's obviously a red. It's obviously a red, but I don't know what the problem is. Like I don't know whether it's a scanning issue on the
Again.
of the camera.
Listen, DOPs who watch our show,
I don't know.
please let us
Yeah.
know what you think the problem is. Is it
It's a
scanning?
scanning issue.
Or is it
no?
bite?
I think what's happened is no. You're not getting it. You're still not seeing. You know, so while the quality of the thing, like it's a shot, it's lit, there's action happening, etc. Suddenly, when you go into the indoor scene, if you just see it, it seems like the camera is like I don't know, like a shadi ka camera, like the camera
Okay.
is downgraded.
Can I tell you what Baba is really getting at? And this is a theory that Baba already had. Baba is getting at this thing कि they shot the outdoor sequences, फिर
I
lockdown
don't
हुआ,
think so.
तो बाकी
फिर ये
फिल्म
सब
भाई ने
Galaxy
कल्चर
apartment
में
में
शूट
shoot
किया
किया.
खुद से.
No, I don't think that.
जब बंगले पे हो रहा है, भाई के बंगले पे हो रहा है.
ND तिवारी का studio में-
शेरा शूट कर कैमरा.
शेरा येलो ये आईफोन पकड़ो.
But that's my-
अभी
that's
शूट
what I'm
करना.
trying to say. I'm trying to say,
रणदीप
like-
घर पे आओ जल्दी, मेरे को सीक्वेंस शूट करना है रणदीप.
So I think if you look at the fight scenes, there's some like I don't know whether it's a anti-aliasing issue. You know those things
Oh,
like
no.
when you're even playing gaming or
Baba, just to cut you short. Sorry.
Save you
Three
some
things
time.
that you mentioned, okay, were not discussed, or rather not expected. Okay.
No, it's not
To
about.
be
I'm
there.
saying it's
They
normally
By the
happens.
people who made it
they were
and the
Radhe,
people
Y'all are
who
they
are
would
going to
rather
watch it.
I'm
Radhe
not
not
giving
discuss this.
I'm not giving additional
Nice.
credit. I'm just saying that this is a problem that it's the first time I've seen this in a Bhai film.
No,
But
so
don't
I,
worry,
I-
it's
you know,
not gonna be
I
the last.
actually want to get into why. Firstly, just think of the journey. The only journey that's been there has been in the
That trailer.
name Radhe that has been used by Bhai. Now, if
Okay.
you know, Bhai was usually the prem, right?
Yeah.
सब बर जाता movies में
Right.
प्रेम था. फिर भाई ने ये किया.
तेरे
और,
नाम, तेरे
हाँ,
नाम.
तेरे नाम. तेरे
तेरे
नाम
नाम.
में his name was राधे. तो वो पिक्चर बहुत चल गई
अरे
and वो
फटा
भाई
वो
कल्ट और थोड़ा like it was in the nascent stages then, right? फिर वही नाम wanted में वही. Now it's come to a point where hey, your movie is called XYZ and your character is called Radhe too. अरे राधे चल रहा है तो डाल दे टाइटल में.
No, but
And
Varun,
then they're like
It's
एक
the
मिनट.
Bhai cinematic universe.
Yeah.
It is the cinematic universe.
Yeah,
before
जिसमें वो
Marvel.
अकेला है. ठीक है.
in any of your writing sessions, would you ever write the dialogue, that Nadia and Dia dialogue?
No, first say the dialogue. The dialogue is तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? दिया.
Diya.
अगर मेरी बहन होती तो उसका नाम नादिया रखता.
one second. There are
I
many
am
things
not
about
getting
that.
the humor of this. I feel I am too dumb to get this because I don't know if you guys got it.
It's
I don't.
Diya
I
and
didn't
not
understand
Diya.
this.
So he is basically saying, and I'm
Giving
really,
and not giving.
No, I'm really trying to stretch here. Here's why the
Really?
joke is made. Like I'm trying to really fit a reason for this. So he says, "नाम तुम्हारा क्या है?" She says, "दिया." किसने रखा? She says, "भैया ने." And then he says, "अच्छा अगर मेरी बहन होती तो मैं उसका नाम रखता नादिया."
हाँ.
क्योंकि no sister of mine will be a दिया. So in no universe, in no way can you be my sister
Oh.
because you are my lover.
You're really trying to justify the
I
not the
tried.
crassness
No, but
of
this
the
is
joke.
making
Wow.
sense.
I think this
This is making
possibly has made the most sense
Yeah.
in everything we watched in the last
but-
minute and a half.
Just one second. Can
Or
I just tell you
whatever,
about
3
that
minutes.
dialogue? I've been thinking about it for a long time. Okay. And what I figured out is this. The weirdest part about that dialogue is when he says, "Agar meri koi behan hogi," which means at age 50, he is expecting ki his poor parents will.
No, or dad has another daughter, na, some secret family.
Yeah.
He's not 50 in the film, guys.
I'm
In the
pretty
film,
sure he's
probably
at least-
He is
30-ish.
24.
Dude,
What?
it's Disha Patani. Disha Patani is what, 20 something, I'm assuming. And
Yeah, so
that
he'll be
is,
slightly,
she's opposite
he'll
him
be
in this
slightly
film.
older, right? He'll be like 25. No, I mean, I'm assuming he's 30.
And here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. In that dialogue, and I'm thinking now as a writer, you can't say "agar mera koi bacha hota,"
Ah.
because that's a creepy thing to say to a prospective lover, right?
Yeah,
"Agar mera
correct.
bachchi hogi to main usse
Yeah,
na diya." It doesn't make sense. So they had to write this in such a fucking clunky way where they said, "अच्छा नाम क्या है? किसने रखा है? भाई ने." अच्छा ठीक है, अगर मेरी बहन होती. So it's just, why would you have this
Because
joke?
they couldn't do mummy papa ne. Like that's what you're
Exactly,
saying, right? Like
exactly.
in the premise of the joke, they couldn't say mummy papa.
They couldn't do
Guys, we have collectively put in more time on this line
I was thinking,
than the
Then
actual writer
the script.
or the actor did.
Oh, by the
ठीक
way-
है, अभी लिख के ले ले. Firstly, एक तो I hope nobody goes to the theaters to watch this fucking movie in the middle of a pandemic. If there was no
Please
pandemic, yes, do whatever the hell you want. But in the middle of a fucking
It is coming
pandemic,
on other channels. Please watch it there.
Yeah, whenever it
Yeah,
comes,
just
it'll come
take your
on some
membership,
OTT
yeah.
platform.
Zee,
उधर
Zee.
पैसे भरो Zee पे, तो खरीदो और उधर देखो. Do not go out and make it a super spreader event and keep your family safe. Anyway, the point being that in a hypothetical situation when there's no pandemic and this movie comes out, that specific line would be met with uproarious laughter.
Yeah. No, and applause.
Where people going mad.
And
कि,
applause.
oh shit, तूने दिया बोला और फिर ना दिया बोला. अरे
No, and
सिक्के फेंक रहे हैं
this
screen
is
पे.
going to be, and this is going to be therefore become a prospective problem for not a problem actually. It's going to be ammunition for eve teasers and problems for the girls called Dia after this. You know what I'm saying? Like it's
You know, and honestly, I don't know if you guys felt it, but I felt that after a certain point, it almost looked like an advert for his bracelet. Like,
Yeah,
if
he
after
takes it
all of this
off, he puts
happened,
it back
and
on,
it said
it's-
being human
yeah.
bracelets, you know, अब तुम्हारे हाथ में है दम,
but his
whatever.
bracelet is very popular.
अरे पॉपुलर मतलब सपोर्टिंग
हाँ,
रोल
but
है
अभी
इसमें.
ज्यादा हो गया, हाँ.
ब्रेसलेट
अभी
को
ज्यादा
ज्यादा
हो
रोल है
गया.
दिशा पत्नी से.
Yeah.
I mean, मतलब literally, I
think in
feel
the
bad
film-
because
I think in the
what
film he uses it as a hatkadi because he uses it police हो hatkadi तो पहनानी पड़ेगी.
Okay.
So you
Why
think
does-
Sorry,
he's
that's my Salman.
transitioning
I
to
can't
like
do
a
Salman.
Mortal Kombat Scorpio, where he's using it as a weapon now, where it just
Scorpion.
like comes out like
Scorpio
Scorpio.
गाड़ी.
ये Scorpio था.
Scorpio
So
से
as
वो
Scorpio
आदमी का
when it comes
हेलमेट
up-
पे लैंड करता है ट्रेलर में.
नहीं वो तो एंड में उस पे
ये
आएंगे.
तो 8 लोग को एक साथ उड़ा था.
Wait,
ऐसे
1 second.
पूरा
Do-
रिवर्स करके. हाँ.
I just want to talk about this thing that you know what this felt like to me. Like when you watch this thing, right? If you watch it for the first time, you watch it for the 100th time, you get the same impression, which is that this trailer is basically a best of Bhai from 2009 to 2019. ऐसा वो best of Kishore Kumar आता था ना. It's like that.
हाँ.
But
Right,
hasn't that been the case for every Bhai movie for the last 6 years?
No, but
But
this
that's
one
what
is,
it's the same thing regurgitated.
No,
ठीक
but
है, अभी उसमें थोड़ा सा इधर उधर चेंज कर तो लगे कुछ अलग है. तो it's usually the actress that keeps changing. एक तेरा
And the villain.
मैं सिर्फ
typical
एक ही चीज
track.
बोलना चाहता हूँ उसका.
ठीक है,
एक
your
वीडियो
track.
पे 4 दिन पहले जो डाला है उसने कलेक्टिव व्यूज अभी तक हम लोग का कलेक्टिव व्यूज उतना उसका व्यूज जितना
course,
नहीं है.
मतलब
What is
were you surprised by this बाबा? Are you like अरे इसको सेम व्यूज नहीं मिल रहे जितने राधे your most wanted भाई को मिल रहे? क्या?
but the point I was making was that this particular film, right? It's like they went purposely and they said कि अपन सारा उसका जो biggest hits है, right? Iconic moments.
Yeah, whatever
Like
works.
they've taken like his clothes, his name, his occupation is exactly wanted. Then they've got Randeep Hooda from Kick. Then they've
Yeah.
got Dabangg ka dialogue. Then they've got
No,
Wanted
they've
का
got
dialogue.
Dabangg ka dialogue. They've got तेरे नाम का name. They've
Yeah.
got Bhai, which is popularly known as part of the tagline.
Correct.
The tagline also has a reference to Wanted. ठीक है, and all of this literally, मतलब you can call this movie, just take the title out and just put Ready there.
yeah.
And public, अरे Ready मैंने पहले बार देखा तभी अलग था, ये अलग मस्त है, भाई कट. You know what I mean? It can just be that. You just change everything. सिर्फ तू, मतलब हम लोग एक वो जोक किया था याद है पहले, वेयर लिटरली सलमान 4 सेट के बीच में शूट करता है. वो एक सेट पे जाता है तो उधर पुलिस का कपड़ा पहनता है और सनग्लासेस पीछे रखता है, फिर बाहर आता है और मवाली टाइप चेकर्ड शर्ट्स ये वो ब्रेसलेट करके उधर जाता है. एंड आई थिंक एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ही गेट्स कंफ्यूज्ड बट दे स्टिल रन विद इट.
Yeah.
लाइक ही
This is what
वेयर्स
Manmohan
पुलिस
Desai used to
सेट.
do with Amitabh.
But ये वाली पिक्चर में देखा तुम लोग ने क्या है? What is the iconic shirt thing?
Oh yeah.
Nobody noticed.
Yeah. He
No,
puts
I
his
saw
It is, he puts his shirt over his face.
Yeah, but that's how I do. That's how I do quizzing with the comedians.
That is the iconic step.
But dude, you know
puts his
why?
shirt
I
over
thought
his
the
head.
iconic
There's-
step is him sitting down like on his haunches and doing that thing.
No, Baba, they've released a song which they want to make like this big song of the
CT
film.
Mar.
It's CT Mar,
CT
which is a
Mar.
song and an instruction both. So
And
वो
which
song में-
which he didn't need to sing. Like people are already doing that.
Doing it, yeah.
You know, नहीं like एक काम कर, वो उसको और बड़ा चढ़ाते हैं तो पब्लिक अभी सीटी मार सलमान बोल रहा है अगर तो
of course.
that's
But Salman has been giving instructions in his songs for a while. From Selfie Le Le Re. He's been giving instructions to his fans for a while.
bro, this it would have been a master stroke if they just retrospectively shot a song and inserted called Mask Pen Le Re, instead of CT Mar,
Yeah.
it's like
Re,
Mask
vaccine
Pen,
ले ले रे.
vaccine Le Le Re, bro, it would kill. Like they should actually put a vaccine
India
song in
would be
it.
vaccinated overnight.
अबे परसों सब वैक्सीन हो जाएंगे, ठीक है, वैक्सीनेट हो जाएंगे. क्या भाई, क्या है, कोविड नहीं है, हम सब भाई ने बोला हमने कर लिया
लोग
वैक्सीन.
लोग फाइजर से छीन के लाएंगे वैक्सीन अमेरिका दे हम लोग को.
Where are you guys going? भाई ने बोला है. Who's भाई? अबे
दे बैन
13th के पहले पूरा कंट्री मांगता है.
सडनली
No,
पूरा
dude, in this
सब
song,
लोग अपना ऐसे ब्रेसलेट
हमें फाइजर वाले बोल रहे भाई everybody whistling while they're taking the vaccine.
नहीं वैसा नहीं लेगा ना, ऐसा शर्ट के अंदर.
अबे कैसे भी ले वैक्सीन ले
तो
ले ले.
ठीक है.
Dude, the thing is, why I think he's done that shirt wala scene is because I think they filmed half the song and then they wanted Bhai for the second half and Bhai was like, मैं नहीं आ रहा हूँ. And they were like, ठीक है, body double को लाओ, shirt ऊपर करो.
अबे वो भी नहीं करने की जरूरत है ब्रो, तू कोई भी पुराने पिक्चर का ले उसके स्टेप भी तो सेम ही तो होता है, वो एक ऐसा कुछ तो
Bro, he's been
होता है.
doing this from Hello Brother.
Abbe, he's been doing this.
Yeah.
I don't know.
From Hello Brother.
been-
He's been doing it since Hello Brother. When he's standing there and doing this to Rani, he's doing it since
No,
Hello
but
Brother.
dude, there's a coincidence between steroids and that step coming at the same time. Body हिलता नहीं उसका.
And have you noticed how, like, most of his movies, right? There are barely any scenes where he's not wearing sunglasses. Like when you say, right,
Yeah.
movies, your acting, you know, आँख से सब acting. अजय देवगन देख पूरी acting आंखों से करता है अजय देवगन, ठीक है? उसका बाकी
क्योंकि
कुछ नहीं
उसका
है.
क्योंकि उसके मुंह पे जाएगा.
I was like, सर
हाँ.
हद तक कैमरा जाने मत दो, आंखों पे रखो.
You know what? You know what I mean? Like he's fucking expressive. So when he's acting, you can
Yeah,
feel
he
that. But भाई की हर पिक्चर में सनग्लासेस पहने है. तू एक सीन होगा जिसमें बिना सनग्लासेस के, because
Bro, वो
for whatever
खाते
reason.
खाते किसी पे थूक देता है bro. Sing.
Yeah. It's hilarious.
I wouldn't be surprised if they weren't shooting then. The camera was accidentally rolling, and that's how Bhai walks on set.
Spitting on
I'm
people.
sure that's written, but he has
भाई ये मस्त किया ये. एक मिनट वापस कर रहा हूँ. अबे रिकॉर्ड.
I feel bad for that character actor, dude, who went home and said कि
Are
"हम
you
ना सलमान खान
crazy?
picture सब लोग आके देखो."
हाँ.
And then his whole family is watching.
Dude,
अरे
his
भाई, तेरे
family
में
will be
थूका है?
like, तू मुंह नहीं धो सकता अभी से क्योंकि
अभी
भाई
बस.
ने तेरे पे थूका.
This guy suddenly has a long beard. ऐसे
Guys,
ऐसे हो गया. क्या
प्लीज
हुआ?
ये टाइम पे किसी के ऊपर ये टाइम पे क्या मतलब कभी भी किसी पे थूकना मत.
हाँ, मतलब
थूकना
it's
मत प्लीज.
नहीं, but you know, again, like
हाँ.
any भाई मूवी, right? तेरा एक पहले होता है कि उन लोग दिखाएंगे कि अरे ये प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है, ये देश में, सिटी में, किधर भी एक प्रॉब्लम है, और विलेन का एक ऐसे शॉट आएगा जब भी वो आके कुछ कॉर्नी लाइन बोलेगा, तो कभी सोनू सूद, कभी विवान भतीना, अभी ये रणदीप हुडा, सेम शिट, क्विंटेसेंशियल, ठीक है, हाँ, आई लाइक इट, आई एम गोना किल इट, ये वो.
नहीं,
And
first
then
is-
suddenly there is no one else who can solve this problem,
हाँ.
and he is a
Except
specialist. Specialist or
1700
Bro,
encounters.
you have taken Sayaji Rao Shinde to deliver this line.
Yeah.
That we need.
Of course.
Dude, in Ek Tha Tiger, who do they have? That very renowned actor, man. Fuck. He passed away. He was a playwright and stuff, dude. Like
Oh, Mohan
legendary
Agassi.
actor. नहीं यार. Girish Karnad. They had Girish Karnad.
हाँ.
Oh
And-
yeah.
But he's the
Girish
raw
Karnad.
chief or something, na, in the
Yeah.
movie.
Yeah.
Dude,
yeah.
Girish Karnad versus Salman Khan. It's just unbelievable. Like legend of literature and theater plus Salman Khan.
Nee, and then there's
Also
always
legend.
bhai ka entry, right? Have you noticed any? You watch Ready, you watch Kick, Wick, anything? There's always sea of people that part, and bhai walks through like Moses. ठीक है?
But it's a version of what superstar Rajni and like you know the
Yeah,
entry
yeah,
has
yeah,
become
sure.
a thing, right?
Dude, the thing is, bhai's entire career, life, everything just paltoed when he went south. He's like, नहीं, अभी south का हम लोग इधर लेके आएंगे, which we know happens. Like there was already a Rajni, there was already all of these other huge South actors who had this template कि ऐसे चल के slow motion में low angle shot.
Or whatever it is, like
वैसे.
even in like Rajni turning in jail, whatever it is, it doesn't matter.
Then everything just became like it's the same thing.
Again and again.
Because
It's
it
a
did it
formula.
again and again across film industries everywhere. Now you see this template, this works. Suddenly
I don't
पंजाब में
think
कोई
in
बोल रहा है
Gujarati
अपन-
cinema there's a guy walking like that, but
तू कितना
I'm
गुजराती
sure there
फिल्म
is.
देखा है?
हाँ.
चार तो देखा है मैं.
एक में तो 100% होगा. मैं कल ही कोई मूवी का ट्रेलर देख रहा था, उसका भी यही है, स्लो मो शॉट, वॉइस ओवर चल रहा है कि दुनिया मरने वाली है, एक ही आदमी बचा सकता है और वो आदमी ये है.
I
और
just pulled
उसका-
up the synopsis of Wanted. Okay, Wanted.
Don't
I'm
read
just
it.
going to say the first line. The first line. It's just Radhe, comma. A gangster with a mysterious past because the writer didn't want to bother with his
No,
backstory.
इसमें justified है.
जस्टिफाइड है कि
हाँ.
क्यों वो मिस्टीरियस है.
Kills others for money.
Oh my
He
God.
meets Janvi while she is doing fitness training and it instantly falls in love with her.
You know, like you do.
This is and that's it.
Oh, that's it.
Wanted
That's
to
the
say
synopsis.
he falls in
No,
love
no.
with her.
No, but
when
the
she's
thing
doing
is-
fitness training.
You know, the telling line in this entire thing that you said is instantly falls in love. I have not seen a single Bhai movie where there is time spent in, hey, you know,
Courtship or admiration.
courtship. Exactly, that's the word. Or trying to wow the
Yeah.
girl or whatever. There is nothing. There is straight देखा मैं प्यार करता है. Cut to कुछ तो एक सिटी मार, सेल्फी ले,
Dude, this
WhatsApp
was-
कर.
दबंग में they took it to the next level. जिधर वो उसको जानता भी नहीं है, थप्पड़ मारने का बात कर रहा है dude straight.
नहीं उसका फेफड़ा it's भाई giving biology lesson.
Oh yeah, this one. Let's talk about that
One
line.
sec,
Holy shit.
he said 3 इंच अंदर घुस चुका है.
अभी सिर्फ 3 इंच
Oh God,
घुसाया है.
घुसाया है.
हाँ,
Okay.
which clearly means there's a pole of some sort that has
some
gone
sort. Oh,
up
there's a
some
knife,
dude's butt.
there's a
But
knife.
I really
Oh, there was a
thought,
knife.
Yeah.
I
There-
really
there was
thought
a
that he
knife.
meant.
Oh.
So I really thought that he meant. I thought it was turning pornographic, obvio, right?
And he's
Yes.
saying that to the villain.
No, like it pornographic, not sexually, but like pornographic as
Yeah,
in
but
अभी
like
ये किया है
up
तो
your-
कुछ,
हाँ, up yours, हाँ.
like that. So 3 इंच घुसाया थोड़ा टाइम में. Now bladder फेफड़े के जगह होगा. So bladder has come into the conversation.
Which means it's been
Correct.
put in from a
तो
little
फेफड़ा
inside.
is-
Urethra.
Yeah.
No,
So
so
bladder
it's gone
फेफड़े की
here.
जगह होगा.
He says, हाँ, bladder के जगह फेफड़ा होगा और liver के
फेफड़ा
जगह
lungs
kidney.
होते हैं ना?
Yeah.
हाँ हाँ
तो his
फेफड़ा
lungs
lungs
will
होता
be
है
in his-
इधर. हाँ. तो ब्लैडर यहाँ से इधर जाएगा. और
No,
इधर
but
से
एक
आगे
minute.
आएगा.
That's why I think that it's about shoving
Shoving something
bamboo.
up your urethra.
I don't know
or,
if
or up your ass or something. I don't know.
no. So that's why it's probably
No, guys, he's got a fucking knife and he's gonna cut you open. और फिर वो तेरा पूरा anatomy shift कर देगा और फिर तेरे को छोड़ देगा. And basically, this
Probably
is
that's
just a.
So what
this
is it? Bladder फेफड़े के जगह होगा और फेफड़े के
हाँ,
जगह
और
bladder.
फेफड़े की
फेफड़ा
जगह
की जगह
ब्लैडर.
फेफड़ा bladder के उधर. I don't know how is the bladder going to go up.
It's just gonna
suddenly.
flip. Yeah, it's just gonna flip.
Okay.
Guys,
One
this
minute,
was-
bladder फेफड़े के जगह होगा and फेफड़े के जगह liver होगा.
नहीं यार बाबा liver के जगह
और
kidney होगा यार.
appendix
It's simple
तेरे
anatomy.
Okay,
यार.
vertebrae पे जाएगा और
okay.
vertebrae जाएगा तेरे
Okay, 1 minute. So bladder फेफड़े के जगह होगा और liver के जगह what you said kidney.
Kidney.
Okay, but
ये
then
भी
what
बोला
happens
उसने,
to
I
the
forgot.
bladder? Then what happens to the bladder? But where does the
तो फिर
bladder
तो
go?
यहाँ से मुतेगा. That's the fucking thing.
Oh, you mean to say ये सब होने के बाद तू जिंदा है to be able to pee from
तेरे
your
नाक से मुंह.
Yes.
भाई ये
But
सब
where
होने
is
के बाद
the
अगर तू
liver?
जिंदा है तो तू भाई है ठीक है तो भाई is just telling it to himself. Then,
But I'm still
Because
confused.
nobody
Where
else
is
can
the
survive
bladder gone?
अरे it's gone. Where is
the same place where the script went, Baba.
That
No, because
toilet,
I'm saying
buddy.
you would finish it, right? Like you would say bladder के जगह फेफड़ा होगा और फेफड़े के जगह bladder. Like
नहीं,
that's what you
बाबा.
would structurally do,
That
right?
is done. That part is done, right? तेरा ब्लैडर के जगह तेरा फेफड़ा होगा तो तेरा ब्लैडर गया फेफड़े के पास. ठीक
और
है?
फेफड़ा किधर गया?
अरे फेफड़ा
फेफड़ा
गया
निकाल के
तेरे
तूने
पे.
डोनेट कर दिया है किसी को
बाबा,
ठीक
come
है
on यार.
तू अब honestly बाबा you are worried about the wrong things.
Okay, अभी तो सिर्फ 3 इंच घुसाया है. अगर अब कोई आगे बढ़ेगा तो उसके ब्लैडर की जगह फेफड़ा होगा और लिवर की जगह किडनी. There is no connection between the repercussions and the cause.
Correct. Cause and effect have no equation. That's what I'm trying to say.
Guys,
Bro,
listen,
at
if
this
you-
point of time, right, they didn't want to say anything. The line was 3 इंच घुसाया and then they said, भाई आपको जो biology करनी है आप
Improvs.
कर लो, improv करो आप. So it's just
हाँ.
ad-libbed and it's like, हाँ ठीक है, liver फेफड़े. It didn't make a difference if you say कि आपके appendix के जगह आपका ACL होगा. It makes no difference.
dude, like
No, but
we're
it
we're
makes
discussing
sense if you
this.
close the
Baba,
dialogue, na?
Baba, you're discussing this as if you expect the director of AIMS to come out and say, guys, राधे ट्रेलर में जो बताया है वो साइंटिफिकली
not
accurate
biology.
नहीं है. प्लीज उसको फॉलो मत कीजिए. ये
There is
नहीं
अरे,
no
I'm
way
saying
your
even
फेफड़ा can go to
I'm saying even structure,
Yes,
dialogue
sad.
structure wise,
No,
it just
Baba.
doesn't work.
Who
बाबा
the
they
hell has
looked at-
written this film? I want to know.
Why?
Who's written it?
Why?
आधा check कर एक बार.
There's a man called AC something. Once again,
The AC repair guy.
Radhe.
One day some guy was cleaning it. Just script लगेगा. भाई किसका script?
It's
मेरी
AC,
अगली picture
AC
का.
Mugil, AC Mugil and Vijay Maurya. AC Mugil and
Vijay Maurya?
What? Dude, Vijay Maurya is damn good.
Vijay Maurya.
Vijay Maurya in Black Friday look more like Dawood than Dawood himself.
One sec.
Yeah.
Vijay
Dawood भी
and
दिख
Vijay
बोला,
Maurya
fuck,
have
ये
written
मैं
a
हूँ.
lot. One sec. Vijay
Is it
Maurya.
Gully
Yeah,
Boy?
yeah,
Vijay Maurya?
He's an ad filmmaker also. Bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Ad
Yeah,
भी
yeah.
किया है. नहीं तो उसको actually I think dialogue लिखने के लिए बुलाया.
Probably.
No,
he's
I think
written the
Vijay
dialogue.
Maurya का second credit है क्या? कि पहला क्रेडिट?
Yeah.
हाँ, second credit.
मेरे को लग रहा है विजय मौर्य ने लिखा है, फिर उसने ये दूसरे बंदे को बोला है कि अभी इसका स्क्रिप्ट बहुत स्ट्रक्चर है, इस स्क्रिप्ट में इसको इसका ब्लैडर के जगह फेफड़ा डाल और फेफड़े के जगह ब्लैडर।
राधे screenplay. This is Radhe screenplay.
Sorry. भाई क्या डायलॉग बोले?
Oh.
स्क्रिप्ट को भी ये
हाँ.
करता।
Oh, so dialogues. There's no writer credit, guys. I'm sorry. Wikipedia पे there's no actual writer credit. It just says written by dialogues Vijay Maurya and
हाँ तो डायलॉग
screenplay.
बोला ना, I told you it's Vijay Maurya for
हाँ,
sure.
but there's no real like writer credit. There's just dialogues and screenplay. There's no like there's very international way of
Story
doing it. Where
and-
it's just, there's
Which
no
was-
story.
which was
There's
Bhai's
no
last
story
film?
credit at all.
Bharat
Because
was
there
his
is
last
no
film, no?
story. Credit
Yeah,
किसको दे?
yeah, Bharat.
I think he's written the screenplay of Bharat or Dabang 3 is written.
But
the
that's what
screenplay.
I'm trying to say. So he wrote the screenplay. It was polished, and they were uncomfortable with the polish.
No, I don't think so.
I doubt.
I don't think.
I doubt.
I don't think so.
Okay,
I think this was written as was expected.
By the way, in this film, Jackie Shroff is there. Okay.
Oh, dude.
And one second, here's the thing. Okay. Jackie Shroff is Disha Patni's brother.
Yeah.
Means which
yeah.
means
Oh,
that their parents have had a child in their 20s, then waited 30
And in their
years
80s.
and had the second child. Dude, वो ऐसे deliver
My
करता है
God.
dialogue. Like it's like Jackie Shroff had acidity on the set. Okay, while
Yeah, yeah.
saying it. He's like, "मेरे पैर को-"
Encounter.
But guys,
Ab
one
usme
sec.
bhi
Jackie
very
loves
on the
Zumba.
Also, the
dialogue.
casual mention of
But guys,
encounters.
Jackie
by the
loves
way, by
Zumba,
cops.
so it's fine.
Yeah,
No,
Jackie
अरे
loves
वो
Zumba.
ठीक है, but लेकिन like even the dialogues are so it feels unimaginative. Oh, encounter specialist है तो मैं तेरा encounter कर दूंगा.
नहीं नहीं, लेकिन ये सलमान का बॉस है ना, so he's like basically
Correct.
saying I'm going to तू तेरा ही स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल हूं मैं, तो मैं तेरा ही स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल रह के तेरा ही स्टूडेंट बना दूंगा ताकि तेरा फेफड़ा और ब्लैडर इंटरमिक्स हो जाए.
ये
या
मतलब
कि
समझ
ना
नहीं आ
दिया.
रहा ब्रो. जैकी श्रॉफ खुद 68 65 होगा, कितना है वो? हाउ ओल्ड इज ही?
Yeah, must be
सलमान
60s.
खुद 55 का होगा आई थिंक एटलीस्ट. और दिशा
Yeah.
पत्नी इज व्हाट 25 28.
Can check
Something.
on all these
20
stats.
something.
It's
Early
called the
20s.
internet said so. So hold on, we'll find out what the internet says.
Dude, or
What are we finding?
in
Jackie
the
Shroff-
meantime,
Jackie Shroff currently is how old? I don't know. He was born in 57. Varun, do the maths.
Oh, so
64.
he's 60,
64.
62, 63,
64.
63.
64.
64 बर्थडे हो गया उसका.
He is in 64. Salman is what? 50 something, no?
55 I think.
Correct.
55, 56.
Salman is 50 what? Salman is born in 65. So
What?
he's 55.
56.
Correct.
अभी 56
So
होगा
he's 55,
दिसंबर
50.
में.
Fuck, he's older than you, Baba. How?
That's weird.
Doesn't make sense.
And guys, wait for it. We are looking at Disha Patni.
बाबा ना जाओ ना get
Rude-
distracted by her Instagram.
Rude. No,
12.
28. She's 28.
Wow, bro, I was
Oh,
right on all
I'm
three without
surprised.
checking.
So,
Nice.
so in the movie, it basically means that Salman is 30 because Disha Patni is 28.
Why did
Arey,
you?
Disha Patni is
How have you
28,
come to
Salman
that?
is 30. Arey,
But
because
अबे why
boyfriend
is
है
Disha
ना?
Patni's real age her movie age also? In the movie she'll be 22 na bro. Why will she be
21 or
28?
something.
Oh,
Yeah.
like that. So Bhai is 24.
Yeah.
Bhai is
Nahi,
there's
Bhai
no
will
age.
always be-
Age
so
is
your
just a
logic is
number.
Bhai has to be 2 years older than the girl. That is.
But देखो मेरे को पता है एक बात, you know how bad do you think the actresses must be feeling? Every time there's एक तो सलमान मूवी है, you know it's going to change your career. So even if you have a 3-second role, you'll obviously say yes, right? But इसमें भी तू देखेगा दिशा पत्नी तीन बार आती है, I think. One is in that
That's in
Nadia
What is a
dialogue.
3-second?
honest.
What is a
One is-
3-second rule?
One is CT Mar, and then in one more just passing scene.
Okay, I'm going to float another concept which you guys can again laugh at me on my face for. Kautuk Varun Adar, do you think any of Salman's films pass the Bechdel test?
Okay, Baba, if you
Baba-
wanted to flex about the Bechdel
No,
test,
I'm
you should have
asking.
just led with that.
No, I'm really asking. Do you think it passes? Any of his films pass the Bechdel test?
Baba,
As soon as we find out what the Bechdel test is, we'll let you know.
Of course,
Yeah.
you know what it is.
Salman has broken the Bechdel test. Bechdel test has arrived and he has like, नहीं करेंगे Bechdel test. इधर आप Bechdel test.
because like if you think about it, he's the exact example of he's the LHS of the Bechdel test. You know what I'm saying? Like straight up, it like you can replace any character in that film with like it just makes no sense.
Dude, you know something? That's why like Jacqueline. Okay, listen to this. Okay, Katrina Kaif, Jacqueline Fernandez, both of them could barely speak Hindi, but it didn't matter because in Bhai films they have to dance.
They could also barely act. So
and barely act. And
but that's also in comparison to Bhai.
So Disha Patni, they've just gone like straight. We want a dancer this time because let's fucking cut the crap straight. Like Bhai film is Bhai. There is no other space for any other. It's like he has his own gravitational force.
Are you surprised that the first 30 seconds of the trailer is Bhai-less?
No.
Because they want to be... they know that it's gonna last. Like
they know weird. For the first 6 seconds you're trying to increase the volume, you're trying to go vertical to horizontal.
You know what this is? This is what they call the popcorn scene. Do you know the popcorn scene? So in Indian cinema they used to write the popcorn scene, which was that fluff scene right after the intermission.
Yeah.
Because people were walking in and would be ready to eat popcorn.
Of course.
Yeah.
लेकिन इसमें एक और scene है where obviously there is rampant drug usage and the crime has increased and it's increased to some other level where they've shown a guy who's been held down and I don't know, they use a fucking axe or a hammer.
Behead him.
Yeah, that was brutal. Kuch random kuch tha.
Wait, I remember a shot where they had sort of put a wide angle on this guy and he snorts coke and he falls back, so the wide angle drops back with him with that distortion.
वो तो चाहिए ना bro.
But which seemed like that's what I was saying. Like it's
एक बार तूने ट्रेन स्पॉटिंग देख लिया है, ठीक है, उसके बाद तेरा यार Requiem for a Dream देखा, तेरा ड्रग सीन वही है.
But Requiem and Trainspotting use the macro, wide, all of that
what
to
are these
tell
things?
narrative.
You don't need. You just need
tell narrative to tell contrast.
Let me show you narrative. Baba, here's narrative.
सब जगह पाउडर ये अभी तक तो 3 इंच घुसा है बस.
But you know another on the nose scene was I'm going to clean the city.
I'm going to clean this city.
It was I'm going to clean this city और उसके बाद एक flying Scorpio जिससे
क्या हो रहा है?
बहुत लोग के हेड पे मारा जाता है.
Dude, there's a guy riding a bike and he has managed to hit it. He has managed to hit the helmet on a jump.
Yeah.
That's the stunt.
नहीं ये उन लोग ने मेरे को लगता है ये सीन के लिए रोहित शेट्टी को बोला कि रोहित भाई इधर आ एक मिनट. We don't know what to do. We have a new actor on set. Who? This Scorpio. एक मिनट. फिर रोहित शेट्टी Scorpio को साइड में लेके गए. Listen bro, so this is a very big scene. The first time you're stepping out of your comfort zone. It's not Ajay Devgan driving you. This time it's Bhai. So it's very different. तो ऐसे स्कॉर्पियो भी बैठा है कि यार फक इट्स
एक्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस
कि क्या करूं वो
मेरे को बैकफ्लिप करना है कि नहीं बोल रहे नहीं इसमें बैकफ्लिप
The Scorpio has more character questions than Bhai. He's like, am I angry? Am I upset? What is the emotion?
मैं कौन से गियर में हूँ इस सीन में?
भी क्योंकि यूजुअली स्कॉर्पियो ऐसे जा रहा है, स्वर्व ले रहा है, ये टाइम तू जा रहा है, स्वर्व ले रहा है, 12 लोग को उड़ा रहा है बाइक पे और फिर टर्न हो रहा है, तो इट्स परफॉर्मेंस एंजाइटी आ जाती है भाई अलग अलग एक्टर को. एंड स्कॉर्पियो इज नो डिफरेंट.
But dude, correct. You know, before that scene, by the way, he is talking to a 15-year-old boy. And he tells him, here's what he tells him, and I've written this down. तुम्हारे 10वीं पास होने से पहले या तो वो जेल में होंगे या जमीन में. Okay, to a 15-year-old boy, which is the greatest pep talk you can give him before the board
which is
exams.
a great integration for the exam.
But there is no context.
But no, I'll tell you context, right? Because a lot of the movie is open to interpretation, and the thing is that
really after all the exposition,
this is a Francois Truffaut film.
No, from now, Ray, from the trailer.
Listen, let's guess.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to guess. कि पहले बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स चल रहे सिटी में, पब्लिक गलत वे में कोकेन कर रहे और बिहेड हो रहे रास्ते पे.
where in Bombay do you think this beheading is taking place?
I don't know.
Where? Is it Chembur? Is it Chembur?
It's next to others building in Dombivli. ठीक है, उधर ये सब हो रहा है. And then obviously crime rate has gone higher. रणदीप हुडा आके 4 लाइन बोल दिया. I like.
Good morning, Mumbai.
trying to be a joker and shooting in the only in the one place where
And
it
dude,
looks
Randeep
good.
Huda has
Flora
and Randeep
Fountain
Huda-
in
it's not
in
Flora
town.
Fountain, it's Ballard Estate.
Ballard
But I'm
Estate,
saying-
sorry.
but I'm
मतलब
saying
वही यार.
he's
Colonial
but-
hangover जगह.
But he is walking in the day down that same street.
और
and it
खाली
says
है.
good morning. हाँ,
और खाली
संडे को
है.
शूट किया रहेगा ना, संडे सुबह.
अबे संडे सुबह 6:30 बजे फटाफट शूट किया होगा.
No, no, but
वो
then
सीन
you
में
see the
भाई भी
next
थे.
shot?
फिर भाई बोले मैं नहीं आ रहा. बोलते यार इसको
हाँ.
चेंज कर. रणदीप तू उठेगा 6 बजे. अरे मैं उठ जाऊंगा सर.
हाँ,
मतलब
उठेगा.
मैं तो I'm
But
very
also,
happy.
let's remember, Randeep Huda's last film was produced by the Russo brothers, who made
Oh yeah,
Avengers.
extraction था ना. Shit.
Okay.
He was fighting Chris Hemsworth in knife
Other-
battles that Chris Hemsworth rehearsed with him for months. To
Other-
now being beaten up in a toilet by Bhai.
Which is why now I think for this
But
movie
I
ना,
just want-
they just told Randeep Huda, अच्छा तूने extraction पे क्या किया था? हाँ अभी इसके साथ कर. ये प्रकाश इधर आ. इधर जरा करो. ए डीओपी नहीं है. एक काम करिए, कैमरा चालू करिए, शूट कर. प्रभुदेवा का है, वो डांस कर रहा है. अपना काफिला.
Sir, shoot हो रहा है.
Sir,
यहाँ पे.
but one sec,
Randeep Huda चाकू
One sec,
चाकू
they
लेके आया
shot
Randeep Huda.
Randeep Huda in the same scene, in the same walk, and in the day and in the night. It's the same.
Bro, they've got that location
That's
ना.
special
तो
effect.
उसने वो उसमें पूरे रणदीप हुडा के सारे सीन शूट कर दिए. अभी रास्ते पे चल, अभी टेरेस पे जा. हाँ अभी गली में भाग.
No, one second. Randeep Huda reading his part of the script. Sir, मैं चल रहा हूँ. फिर सर वापस चल रहा हूँ. सर क्या हो रहा है सर? चल रहा हूँ. सर रात में, दिन में. और फिर क्या बोलता हूँ? गुड मॉर्निंग. ओके.
No, the thing is, so ये सब हुआ, फिर भाई आ गए. I feel the kid he's talking to ना, his parents have been killed by Randeep Huda. They might be cops, they might be whatever.
Oh.
Decent
Why does it
people.
sound like he is? Why does it sound like he is threatening him?
No, and he is going to.
बच्चे को threat हो रहा है.
They cut to a shot where Bhai also thought कि he has to threaten the child. तेरे मारने,
sir,
तेरे
sir,
10th
आप
एग्जाम
इसके
के
side
पहले
में हो, आप-
तेरे माँ बाप या तो जेल में होंगे या तो सॉरी कट भाई इसको नहीं बोलना था. इसके माँ बाप मर गए. आप उसको help कर रहे हो.
And भाई keeps going. भाई और अगर तूने आर्ट्स किया तो तेरे फेफड़े के जगह में तेरे
तेरा liver
bladder
होगा,
होगा.
और
करेगा तो सिर्फ
तेरा
science
sir की
करेगा.
जगह तेरा
और
knees
ये
होगा.
commitment तू नहीं
भाई,
छोड़ सकता.
आपने आर्ट्स तो नहीं किया था ना भाई, प्लीज क्लियरली थोड़ा लगा.
आर्ट्स मैं आर्ट्स करता हूँ. ये देखो मेरी पेंटिंग.
और
Dude,
तेरे
Bhai,
नाक के
but to
पास
be
से
very
आ-
honest, Bhai is a good painter, dude.
भाई is a good
He's a
painter.
good
I
Very
have
good.
to give
Whatever,
that
He's
to
a
him.
very good artist.
even
Good
whatever I've seen, if it is actually done by him, it's not
It
bad.
is. He's a great artist.
No, no.
Such
I saw
skepticism.
video. I saw a time
Oh, you
lapse
saw a
video.
video.
Actually.
Okay, okay.
I
No,
saw
no,
a
he
video
knows
of Bhai
you
actually
can-
making a quick painting, one of those fast paintings.
No, even
you
I've
can
seen.
tell because of the way he holds the brush and stuff. He knows he's got skill. He's got game.
Oh, wow, thanks. I thought he was taking
Thank you, Baba.
MF Hussain paintings and just scrubbing it and writing
you be surprised?
SELMON.
Nice. Would you be surprised? But I
Okay,
don't
so
want-
फिर after threatening the 10-year-old, 15-year-old kid.
But one sec, Emma, is it? Did
No,
it
it
really
really
not
does.
feel like
It-
No,
it?
no,
Yeah,
it takes you a
that's
second. It takes you a second because the intensity is same like he's staring at Randeep Huda.
But I
And
did
then
not
ऐसे
think
थोड़ा
that.
ऐसे कैमरा मूव होता है और उसमें दिखता है
No,
एक
no.
छोटा बच्चा.
No. अरे the clue is right there. He says तेरे 10वीं पास होने से
होने
पहले. अगर वो रणदीप हुडा को बोल रहे हैं तो बहुत weird है.
Which is quite possible. Where you are attacking the villain where it hurts the most. His lack of education. मैंने तुम्हारे माँ बहन को पकड़ के रखा है. तू अगर बीकॉम पास किया होता तो मैं
भाई ऐसा क्यों हो रहा
गांव में
है?
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं थी. I didn't have the resources. इसके माँ
Okay.
बहन और माँ को छोड़ दो.
Wait. Guys, I want to talk to you about this one thing, okay? Which I don't know if you noticed. So, Bhai has had a policy which is very famous among his fans, where he has a no lip lock policy. Okay.
With his fans.
I don't think, you should be lip locking.
But there is a silhouette lip lock, no?
That's not a policy. That's
Today's
that's
time.
how it should be. You
So-
just don't
so-
start
Okay, so listen to this. So what happens is, he's all his career, he's apparently not lip locked with anybody.
That's not true.
That's
He hasn't apparently so far.
Arey, it's always like this.
It's almost,
But
almost.
It's never side angle.
cheating.
na,
It's
ऐसे.
never
Huh. So in this trailer, right, there's that moment where you can see a silhouette of Bhai lip locking with Disha. Okay.
Oh,
So,
really?
Yeah, there is
Thank
a,
God,
there's a
Disha
moment
is
now.
now.
Listen to this. Okay. So someone said, ki, "Oh shit, Bhai has done lip lock." Okay, in this movie. And by the way, it's not kissing; it's lip lock. Okay, when it comes to Bollywood. So someone has said.
इधर ऐसे का लटक रहा है गोदरेज का लॉक है ये टूटेगा नहीं अरे
You're kidding me. By the way, if you I just typed this thing.
Salman, no
You know
lip
what was
lock,
my,
lip
no,
lock.
here's my exact search parameters. Okay, it's hilarious, but it's Salman kissing lips movie. Okay, that's what I've typed. Okay, now here
Salman
is
kissing
the
lips
movie. Okay, now here is the first story. It says no, Salman did not lock lips with
Wait,
Disha Patni.
that's
and
what I
Radhe.
want to. That's what I want to explain now. Okay, so someone has pointed this out. Ki fuck, Salman Khan has done lip lock in this movie. Immediately, some guy on Twitter has replied to this tweet saying, "No, Gochu ठीक से देख, दिशा पटनी के face पे tape लगेला है." And in that scene, there is tape on her mouth. So Bhai has technically not kissed. So lip lock
But-
is still there.
One sec, how is this an okay explanation that there is a girl who's gagged?
Lip lock नहीं है ना, it is tape lock.
Tape lock.
There is a girl with tape on
Something
her
else.
mouth. That
no
is
I'm
wrong.
just surprised that there's two dudes
You don't know.
somewhere
Who has zoomed into the shot, which is a silhouette.
I was like, Bhai did not kiss Disha Patani. Why would he want to kiss?
and there's another
Disha
dude
Patani?
who's just sitting in the middle of all of this huh? क्या बोला भाई क्यों अरे you know
तेरा
Bhai is not-
साला अच्छे से देख गोचू.
And there's
just-
a third guy who has found this for the show. जो मैं था.
हाँ
And then I
You know-
searched Salman lip lock, lip kissing scene.
Salman, your entire
Oh.
search history algorithm for Google is now messed up.
Yeah.
After
No,
what
I
he
did
just
it in
did. Wow.
incognito.
हाँ तो क्या बोलता है
क्यों
dude?
क्यों बोला ये
क्यों?
There was no need. अभी
There's
तेरे को
no
कट करना
reason.
पड़ा ना अभी तेरे को कट
मतलब-
करना पड़ा
Oh man.
और तेरे को मालूम है क्लियरली तू ये सब नहीं बोल सकता है बट एंड ऑल ऑफ अस वर थिंकिंग इट नन ऑफ अस सेड इट
Yeah, and it's not a matter that's really like in public. Let's not talk about it.
yeah if you want to know what Baba said
Join our Patreon account.
write in the comment section release the Baba cut
Release the Baba cut.
and if it reaches 5,000 comments
We
we
will
will
not
release
release
what
it.
Baba said no
We
we
will
won't
not
release it we'll
release
just
it
tell
if
you
it
guys
reaches
what Baba
5,000.
said and
Yeah,
if,
we'll
by
tell
the
you.
way every time we say this now as a joke also people start spamming don't start spamming random shit
Yeah, don't say 1, 2, 3. What is this?
Irritating,
Somebody's
मत
got
करो
1, 2,
चलेगा
3.
मत करो
हाँ.
but please don't like spam it with random shit because there's other comments people like to read and chat we like to read मैं ऐसे बैठा उस दिन 1 2 3 में किल लिया 50 ये क्या है
And that was for topless Kautuk. Okay, so there is judgment all round.
ये
What? What did
By
I
one
miss?
guy.
Other when you're not there, someone has to be topless, na.
Someone's got to do it, man.
Be topless.
Someone's
yeah
got to do
and
it.
we went with Kautuk
The khakra,
Pull the
khakra
short straw.
needs to come out.
हाँ तो
चल.
और क्या बचा है
Kautuk as a khakra board.
Dude, here's the thing, okay? The last thing about this film is that, god damn, nobody knows how to drive in this film. There
Yeah.
are so many shots of cars almost crashing.
nobody knows how to drive or fly a helicopter because the
yeah.
money shot was that right एक तो by the way I
Just
didn't
the
see
Can I just
Helicopter
say
bowling.
nobody knows how to act or shoot or
I mean, that,
direct.
वो अलग है वो तो was assumed nobody came अच्छा कौन एक्टिंग कर रहा है नहीं लेकिन इसमें
Sayaji Rao.
Sayaji Rao.
इसमें ये नहीं दिखा है भाई is not topless although he has a knife which is lodged in his shoulder I think
Yeah, yeah. Which he just pulls out
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
because that's how it works सीधा
Like a
इधर-
toothpick.
हाँ, ऐसे
Like कुछ तो खुजले
like
होगा।
a blackhead like a blackhead
Oh, it was a-
नहीं and वो होने के बाद भी एक टिपिकल शॉट ठीक है ये रणदीप हुडा और ऐसे भाई है ठीक है राधे
हाँ.
जाने के लिए नहीं आता क्या कुछ
भेजने
पहुंचाने
के लिए
के लिए
आता
आता है सर
भेजने
राधे
के
तू
लिए
डेंजो में काम करता है और फिर हम आएंगे बिरयानी तेरे हिस्से की बिरयानी खाएंगे और बोलेंगे
Also, he breaks fourth
ईद
wall there.
मुबारक.
Yeah.
Of
He
course
just
he breaks
looks
fourth
straight
wall.
to you. He's just
Arey, but
like,
he breaks fourth wall he breaks fourth
Biryani.
wall for trailer.
Bro, he's speaking directly to like
The
his
mass.
audience at
Fans.
that point.
He's speaking directly to humans who are being.
And they're all looking and like भाई मेरे से बात कर रहे हैं अभी. ये इसने मेरे को बोला है और ये करके
Eid Mubarak.
ईद मुबारक.
What do you think is going to be the most surprising thing about this movie?
Guys, I just got a weird fact. I don't know why.
If it makes
but
it to
like,
India's
it's a
entry to
biryani
the
fact.
Oscars.
It's a biryani fact.
अरे तू vegan है
I
bro.
found it on oddnari.in, which is a very reliable source. Oddnari.in.
Odd Nari.
Oddnari.in. Salman
Is
flew
it-
his own cook to London from Mumbai to dish up biryani for the cast and crew of the movie London Dreams, who were sick of eating continental food. This is a legit Bhai fact. Interesting facts about Bhai.
Is it oddnihari.com or ordinary?
Odd Nari. It's just Odd Nari.
But I must say, there was a biryani guy I used to call from Ghafoor Bhai in Four Bungalows, who I was told has also supplied biryani a lot of times to Salman's house. And let me tell you one thing, I don't think he does it anymore. But if y'all would have had that biryani, right? It is goddamn the best bloody biryani I have ever eaten.
मैं तेरे को एक बंदे का
ऐसे
नंबर
तेल
देता
नहीं
हूँ
दिखे.
कॉल के बाद. मैं तेरे इसके
इतना
कॉल
तेल
के बाद
नहीं
एक ये शूट इसके बाद एक
No,
नंबर
just dox him, yeah.
No, can't dox
सब
him.
suddenly उसका फोन बज रहा है चाचा का हेलो बिरयानी yeah but you know I want to say this one personal story, right? I remember watching Wanted, ठीक है, and loving it.
Yeah.
2007 2005 some shit like that. I'm no ऐसे time
2009.
है नहीं. 2009 okay whatever. I was fucking young and stupid. मैं बैठ के देखा और लगा कुछ funny था, right? Because I'm not watching
It was
South
our
Indian movie that I don't understand.
Liam Neeson moment,
Mm,
for us realizing that he has transitioned to that Liam Neeson, Steven Seagal.
No, and
space.
it was, it was fun. It was funny. Oh, like you're watching it almost and you're liking it almost ironically that you're laughing
Correct.
at the movie while watching it or whatever. When
Yeah.
Dabang came, I think I mentioned this earlier, but when Dabang came, bro, I had that point of time made a group and I organized 20 balcony tickets at Chandan Theatre so that all of us, me, my friends, and I could go watch the movie. Because it was like, oh, fuck, won't it be fun to watch this? And honestly, Dabang, because of Abhinav Kashyap, had that slightly funner.
I think it holds up.
It did.
It still holds up.
It
know,
had
it-
it
it
had that
still-
tongue-in-cheek humor. Yeah.
कुछ तो था, and it was that trying to be kitschy cool
It
sort
was
of vibe.
it was
No, it
Tarantino
didn't
in
take
UP.
itself-
Straight.
Yes,
And also it didn't
that's
take itself
perfect.
seriously. So it knew
Yeah.
it knew the gag and so it played to the gag.
And then once you found that golden goose, you can't keep doing the same thing again because there was a spate after that where it was ready,
Bodyguard, Cake.
जय हो की स्टोरी बोलता ब्रो. वहां पे चंदन गया था, मैं और मेरा दोस्त कुशल, हम लोग एक दिन फ्राइड थे तो चल लेट्स गो वॉच जय हो बिकॉज सलमान मूवी विल लाफ व्हाटएवर. वी लेफ्ट इन 20 minutes.
But I have a
20
personal story
minutes.
also of Jai Ho. When it came out, I happened to be around Chandan.
मैं
And
भी
they-
चंदन में ही देखा.
And I happened to be around Chandan during like apparently उन लोग का premiere था उधर.
हाँ.
तो उधर crowd है, ठीक है, चंदन के पास. So I saw the crowd. I was like, what is happening? So I said, क्या हो गया? तो बोलता है जय हो का premiere है, आने वाला है public. ठीक है. So I'm standing there with all these people. Okay. Then suddenly the crowd goes wild. ठीक है, they go wild and then after some time it dies down. I said, कौन है? क्या हो गया? I was far away from the thing. He says, नहीं सोहेल आया था, सोहेल.
It went like oh.
Almost, just
Almost.
miss.
I have a personal story about
They must have said him कि अरे मेरे को 4 अलग सिंगल स्क्रीन पे सेम टाइम पे होना है तो क्या करूं. एक काम कर, सोहेल उधर जा, उल्टा खड़ा रहे, किसी को मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा, बनियान पहन, टोपी पहन और ऐसे भाई
ऐसा
ऐसा ही कर. और ब्रेसलेट भूलना मत,
हाँ,
ब्रेसलेट मत भूलना.
So guys, when in the 90s, because my Salman mistakes will only be in the 90s. Because I think I've said this story before. I went to Gaiety Galaxy Gemini, and I wanted to watch Rangila because Rangila had moved to Gemini from Galaxy. Okay, तो मैं टिकट खरीदा Gemini में.
This is such a weird sentence.
But you know what used to happen, right? Friday से वो Friday से वो जाता था
गैलेक्सी
Galaxy से
छोटा
Galaxy.
थिएटर था गाइस, गैलेक्सी
नहीं
वाज
नहीं,
लाइक
Gemini सबसे छोटा. Gemini सबसे
इटी,
छोटा था.
हाँ,
गैलेक्सी, जेमिनी, उसके
हाँ,
बाद आया
हाँ,
ग्लैमर, गॉसिप,
Gossip, वो सब.
हाँ,
G7
ग्लैमर वाज टाइनी,
Because
G7,
those-
not the G7 countries. G7 is a collection of 7.
Single screen
theater
theaters.
started with G. हाँ,
Yeah, and the thing is, those used to be preview theaters. Then they opened it up to the public. So
Public,
anyway,
correct.
so it went to Gemini, right? Now when it went to Gemini, तो वो Friday को गया था मैं, तो वहां पे रंगीला का पोस्टर अभी भी लगा था. तो मैं गया और बोला टिकट रंगीला Gemini 6 बजे. तो मैं लिया, गया अंदर और ब्रो द मूवी दैट प्लेड वाज, तो पहले वो सर्टिफिकेट आया, सेंसर बोर्ड का सर्टिफिकेट, तो सब ऐसा सब खुश है वो, फिर डेडिकेटेड डिवोशन, फिर वो सब आया और फिर गाना स्टार्ट हुआ जिसमें था भाई, मनीषा कोइराला, राहुल रॉय, और पूरा गाना चला है.
बे पुराना
मैं सोच रहा
पिक्चर
हूँ,
है.
हाँ, और पिक्चर का नाम है ये मझधार. ठीक है. और ब्रो, बिकॉज द 3 o'clock शो वाज रंगीला, द 6 o'clock शो वाज ये मझधार, बिकॉज इट वाज न्यू फिल्म. तो आई हैव वॉच्ड, सो आई एम सिटिंग थ्रू इट. मेरे को लगा पूरा गाना ऐसा ट्रेलर टाइप रहेगा, बिकॉज इट्स अ सॉन्ग एंड द होल सॉन्ग इज मनीषा कोइराला होल्डिंग वन फोटो, Rahul Roy holding one photo, and Salman Khan holding one photo. In Rahul Roy and Salman Khan's photo, it is Manisha Koirala, but in Manisha Koirala's photo, who?
There is
It's the
Sanjay
whole
Dutt.
plot of the film. It's the whole
Sanjay
plot
Dutt.
of the film.
You know what I love
It's
about this?
Shakespeare writing. It's Shakespeare writing because they've explained the whole plot of the film.
Just
in
through
the
visuals.
open. Yeah,
And the
Oh, I
song.
thought she
Yeah.
had Shakespeare's photo.
Yeah, it's just
Could I select between Salman Khan and Rahul Roy? William
to be or
Shakespeare.
not to be.
Wow.
So
You know what I
ये
love
चल
about
रहा है.
this?
और bro,
is
एक
Baba
minute,
sitting there and going
Yeah.
like, "हाँ ये रंगीला तो start तो यही है 100%."
like I'm like, when is Rangila going to start? And I have sat through Ye Mazdar, dude.
How long did you
2
watch the
hours.
whole
I watched the
movie?
whole movie. I watched the whole movie.
Baba, 2.5 hours later, maybe
I
there was a
I
clue
realized
there
I
that
fucked up. I realized I fucked
After
up.
how
So
long
now
did
I
you
was
think कि maybe मैंने 10 रुपए की
about
टिकट
7-8
खरीदी है
minutes.
and I
After
should
about
not
7-8
just get
minutes
up
into
and
the
leave.
film.
and
7-8
then
minutes.
you still decided to sit.
Yeah, yeah,
through.
that was
AC
there.
चल रहा है.
Okay, can I
Really?
tell you
That's
something?
sad.
Can I tell you something? In the time that I've known Baba, multiple times he has brought up the film Ye Majdar, and multiple
Yeah.
times I've thought it in my head, saying ki where did Baba? How does he know this movie? What the fuck is this movie? And today, Baba, you have finally cleared it up for me. I cannot tell you how happy I am. Fuck, Baba,
It's
great
made a
story.
big impact on Baba's life.
Nice.
You remember?
Oh, no.
You remember this Salman?
Yeah, dude.
Oh God, it's the Rahul
side-
Roy
the
wannabe Salman. Yeah.
Side parting, long hair, cute boy Salman. But उसका
By
एक
the
scene
way,
होता है ना हर अपने मूवी में ना
another
there's 2
हाँ.
minutes or 5 minutes where he becomes cute. Have you noticed?
Yeah, or
There's
funny.
all this मारा मारी ये वो और एक उसमें ना वो कुछ ऐसा एक अजीब ही सलमान pretend
cute
you're
week.
4.
His,
और वो
Yeah,
ऐसा
it's cute week.
cute.
Dude,
What
his
is that?
that Nadia line is that only him being cute.
No, even that
मेरी
scene
बहन
with
है
Jackie
उसकी।
Shroff.
हाँ.
ये है इनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट 150 लोग को मारा है
Yeah,
whatever.
बिल्कुल नहीं सर.
Sir.
बिल्कुल नहीं सर.
You know, like
Also, Jackie Shroff threatening him with a glass of champagne is hilarious. It's just Jackie Shroff
Yeah,
not
he's
pointing
got a
a
champagne
gun, not a
flute,
face.
and he's like encounter.
It's just a champagne glass.
Encounter.
Also, guys, you know Salman's full, right? Like real name.
Salman Salim Khan.
No. So again, thank you for ordinary.in. Salman's full name is Abdul Rashid Salim Salman Khan.
Fuck, that is
Whoa.
not a star name.
He had no idea.
That is a very
idea.
long name, dude. आधा क्रेडिट सही है फिर.
Fuck. Starring Abdul.
Rashid. Salim.
Salim. Salman.
Salman.
Did not know that.
मतलब यू नो द जोक दैट उसका पिक्चर ईद पे निकलता है और उन लोग ईद डेट फाइंड आउट करते हैं फिर देखते हैं कि कितना पिक्चर कौन से टाइम में बन सकता है मतलब when regular not just comedians everybody knows this right everybody just cracked this joke
That he owns Eid,
and
yeah.
eventually they also know it right they also
Yeah, of
know
course
it
they know.
but it's unbelievable to year after year same चीज कैसे कर सकता है और ये के बाद ना everybody has got their own festival weekend Salman
Yeah.
ईद पे करेगा आमिर खान
खान
क्रिस्मस पे
Christmas.
करता है, शाहरुख
Which is
दिवाली
a
पे
odd
करता है,
selection, though.
और अक्षय कुमार इंडिपेंडेंस पे. ठीक है, ये चार
Independence
स्टैंडर्ड.
Day, Republic Day.
हाँ.
Akshay Kumar has taken over all those.
हाँ, वो
Yeah,
And
national
John Abraham
holidays.
और John Abraham सोचता है कि मैं
This
Independence Day पे
Janmashtami. Watch
Janmashtami.
John Abraham. I don't give a damn. John, ये आप हर पिक्चर में क्यों?
John Abraham, you don't need to lift that nano. No, but I need to.
John, it's a romantic scene. You have to dance with your girlfriend.
You have to lift the
Yeah, but-
you have to lift actress.
By the way,
But
guys,
nano-
I have to confess. मैं लास्ट वीक मतलब इतना फ्राई हो गए थे मैं और निकिता, क्योंकि साथ देख लिया, नेटफ्लिक्स खत्म कर दिया मैंने. ठीक है ही नहीं, कुछ बचा ही नहीं मेरे पास देखने के लिए.
yeah, it's happened.
मैं प्राइम, हॉटस्टार, एप्पल टीवी सब खत्म कर दिया. तो
Ted
फिर
Lasso देखा कि नहीं?
हाँ देखा, श्योर. फिर मैं किस में गया? मैं गया
Eros now.
कुछ हिंदी हो
नया हो जाए. हाँ.
Maybe.
हिंदी हो
Why
जाए, नहीं
not?
अलग. मैं बॉलीवुड पिक्चर नहीं देखा है ब्रो, इतने साल से ऐसा लग रहा है. जस्ट द ऑफ मूवी हियर एंड देयर आई हैवंट वॉच्ड. तो सडनली बोला कुछ देखते हैं जो नहीं देखा है, तो ऐसे सामने आया वेलकम बैक.
Oh shit.
वेलकम टन टन है वो.
अरे
वाला.
dude, if you
Original,
want to watch a John,
मेरे
at
को-
least watch Parmanu, dude.
No, what? No. I
परमाणु.
watch परमाणु. हाँ, परमाणु मतलब तू क्या है इसमें भी बराबर तमिल जैसे प्रोनाउंस
अरे
कर
but
रहा
है परमाणु ही है वो.
परमाणु.
परमाणु.
Parmanu.
ठीक है, तो
Parmanu.
मैंने वेलकम बैक देखा ब्रो. आई एम नॉट, इफ यू गाइस हैवंट वॉच्ड इट, प्लीज डोंट, or do, depending on how much you want to laugh at the absolute zero fucks given by everybody who's a part of it. Everybody. You know how they made this film? They said कौन सा country हम लोग को shooting rebate देगा? अबू धाबी. Done. Cut to.
अबू धाबी.
अभी ये भाई लोग जो इंडिया में रह रहे थे अभी अबू
अबू
धाबी
धाबी.
में है.
Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah.
और लिटरली अबू धाबी मतलब जो फर्स्ट सीन
आलू
है,
ले
लैम्बोर्गिनी गलाडो आके रुकती है एक महल के बाहर. लिटरली हर एक इसमें. दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट अ ट्रांजिशन सीन ब्रो. देन दे पीरियोडिकली शो दुबई, तो बुर्ज खलीफा दिखा रहे हैं. उन लोगों का आइलैंड
Because
जो बना है
Abu
ना.
Dhabi is giving them rebate, so they are shooting in Dubai.
No, I mean, or Dubai, यार, one of those two countries. I think it is Abu Dhabi if I'm not mistaken. But उन लोग बुर्ज भी दिखाया था. I don't know why. Or must be Dubai. Whatever. Point being, it's literally what is welcome back. It is
It is
flashback
Dubai
shots.
saying welcome back. That's what it is.
Yeah, and it's just flashback shots of original welcome. So all the highlight scenes from the old one are shown
This
again
is like a
as
sitcom
random
episode when
cutaway.
it's like a sitcom episode when they do a rewind episode. It's that.
Yeah. And
Oh,
and
yeah.
everything that worked for the previous movie, they're just showing it again. तो अभी कंट्रोल उदय वो नाना बर्थडे करने का बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया बिकॉज उसने मूवी में 2 बार किया था फर्स्ट वेलकम में, और दोनों बार द टाइम ही डिड इट वाज सो फनी दैट इट स्टेड विथ यू. इन दिस मूवी ही हैज डन इट 30 times. Literally something is happening, they cut to Nana Patekar, control uday, control. It just keeps doing that. They show you actual
How ironic.
scenes.
How ironic.
Actual scenes from the first movie, bro.
Fuck.
बहुत मतलब funny है just to watch what the hell
No,
is
but
going on anyway.
राधे में भी तो वही है, dude. He's literally said the same dialogue.
Yeah.
No change. It's the same
But
dialogue. It's not
they
even
won't
like
do a cutaway to original movie ना.
I would give it 2 movies.
Yeah, at
More
least
and then-
they made Bhai say it again.
Yeah.
Which is, it's like Bhai इस बार आप थोड़ा
Which
scene
is
डाला,
a-
थूकते
which
हुए
is an
बोलो.
effort. by the way.
Actually though, let me tell you one thing. When in the movie, in this trailer, he's saying it, he's not mouthing it. It goes as voiceover. Because जब ये line बोली जाती है तभी तेरा high speed camera से it moves
Moves up.
from front of the windscreen to
cut.
the side, and his lips aren't moving.
But at
so
some
He used it also as
Just
voiceover.
OS. हाँ.
fuck.
Wow.
But anyway, just to
When we started
reiterate-
this podcast, Neville said that we couldn't talk for an hour over a 2-minute trailer.
yeah,
I'd just like to point out to Neville.
there's
I still
been
think it's a. I
तुम्हारा
still think it's a
तुम्हारा
bad
दिमाग
idea.
तुम्हारे घुटने में और तुम्हारे elbows
तेरा नाक
अभी
तेरे गार्ड
तुम्हारे
में।
गार्ड में।
तो ये है भावा. नहीं 5 मिनट करते फिर आगे बढ़ते.
Yeah. Let's talk about something more intelligent, guys.
No, but I think at this time, we all wanted to just laugh, okay, at something,
Yes,
something
we did.
stupid, and this movie trailer saved the day. But is there anything else that you guys want to talk about this?
No, please. I'm done.
Anything? Did we miss out on anything?
I'm certain we
Oh,
did, but I'm not
yeah.
interested. in
By the way,
going
we
back.
missed out on one thing. Apart from CT Mar, which by the way now different stars are also
And there's wanted
recreating CT
ka
Mar.
thing.
Allu Arjun put a video out, okay, where he's like Garu Salman, this is my this blah blah to you, or he's doing CT Mar. But there's another song where
Wanted.
that I am a wanted.
Huh.
What? That's
I am
the,
a wanted.
I am a wanted, not I am a wanted bhai or anything. I am a wanted.
I don't think that's it.
Come to downtown. I'm in the downtown. I am a wanted. Please check lyrics.
Checking.
Baba, you were asking the Bechdel test. This doesn't fucking pass a grammar test, Baba.
Yeah.
Like a simple grammar.
By the way, but it
spelling,
passes
comprehension.
the four or five P's of marketing according to Philip.
Yeah,
Gordon.
dude. No. It says
That's the book they are
downtown-
referring to.
No. One sec. It says. One sec. Hold on. I'll tell you.
I
It
am a
says-
wanted.
No. So the first one is, I'm still on. I will clean the city. Hold on. Downtown in the city, I am a wanted. Everyone tells me I am wanted.
Yeah.
So that
he
is what it
says a wanted once at least.
Yeah.
मुझे इस पिक्चर में एक गाना चाहिए. Like it's like a title song. तो कुछ idea suggest करो.
How the fuck did the guy
Hi.
find
अब
that
रहते
this,
का
in
है.
this scene? How did he find the tape? Is what
अरे
I
तू
want to
उसको
know.
धीरे से प्ले
अरे
करेगा
कुछ
ना?
उसने behind the scenes कुछ देखा होगा. Okay, I wanna like just point out the lyrics in CT Mar, which is just Hindi and English of the English translation of the same. Just dance with me एक बार, okay? फिर तू बोलेगा once more. You're getting the फिर तू बोलेगा once more. Romance is just in the air, so थोड़ा सा come closer. ले
What?
baby. ले baby मेरा प्यार ले baby ले मेरा प्यार ले दे सीटी मार.
Bro, it's literally like ले
ले.
अच्छा वो गाना बहुत चला था. एक काम कर सेल्फी निकाल अभी इसकी जगह सिटी डाल
City,
और वो
city.
ले थोड़ा स्लोली बोल compared to the
Listen, if
Wow.
someone out there is watching this and who's good at video editing, then just can you please do a thing where you take that le selfie wala song and just put every time the selfie comes, just put the automated voice saying vaccine.
Facts.
yeah.
Just do it. We'll share it on Tish Shorts, and we'll really make this happen.
Oh, by the
No,
way,
you can't,
yeah.
you can't share it on T-shirts.
Oh, sorry, we'll share it on Instagram.
We will
then.
tell you guys about his shots. वो तो हमने
Yeah.
बोला नहीं, was supposed to be the end of this, but yeah, I think we're done talking about this
Yes.
trailer and Bhai movies in general. You are going to get what you expect to get from this movie, but please do not go to the theaters to watch it until it's safe.
Yeah.
Definitely
I don't think it's
Then-
releasing
then you
in
will
theater.
get
I mean,
what
it
we
said
are
coming
expecting.
13 May, unless it is
No,
coming
it's
on
not releasing
OTT
it.
on.
It's coming
yeah.
on OTT only and
No,
Tata
no,
Sky and
Baba.
all of that.
No, I
Baba,
saw
it
releasing
says
in
watch in
theaters.
theaters. It says watch in
No, it
theaters.
says
No,
theaters.
it
It
says
says
no,
theaters.
guys. It says international audience watch in theaters, Indian
Oh.
audience coming on OTT, etc. So it's for
Okay,
international.
sorry.
audience.
Sorry,
you are
sorry,
also
guys.
leaving. You are also leaving way too much interpretation to someone reading in that trailer. So yes, don't go.
No, but Baba, it says watch it in theaters worldwide, and I'm assuming India
And
is
then it
also
says-
part of world.
Not
It's
worldwide.
the separate one.
Worldwide है वो.
Separate line
Okay,
says
if-
इंडिया
if-
अबे इंडिया पे टेप लगाया उन लोग ने एंड तुम लोग समझ रहे नहीं हो चलो इंडिया लॉक किया उन लोग ने तो देयर इज बीन अ लिप लॉक ऑन इंडिया विद अ टेप बाकी वर्ल्ड वाइड पे थिएटर
So please only watch it. I'm assuming they'll push it themselves only, yaar. Till
Yeah,
when
but,
till when it gets better.
If they don't, then please just do not do it right now. Genuinely,
No.
it's not worth
I mean,
it. Like
and
it's just
also-
not worth it.
Yeah, it's not
no,
some
I know
like,
for a fact that
just
theaters
watch
will take a
Kick Ready Bodyguard instead.
like what you don't understand is that a Bhai film almost resurrects the film industry. If the cinema single screen cinemas and stuff like that. But
No,
guys,
of
just
course.
don't
See,
go.
there's employment provided, etc., from Bhai movies. All of that said and done. At this stage, when you have 3.5
Yeah, yeah.
lakh cases, nobody should be
day.
tempting fate.
a day.
And,
Not
a
you
day.
don't just
Not
have
for this.
3.5 lakhs cases. It's 3.5 lakhs a day.
lakh a
Yeah.
day.
Yeah, that's what I meant, guys. इतना public को तो मालूम है, तो घर पे बैठ के देखो.
Varun and Adar are statistics. As of
Yeah.
But anyway, that was it from this episode of the internet. Said,
All right, guys.
Hey,
we
wait,
were
post
talking
credit, Jack.
about my movies.
Tish shots.
Yes. Okay, guys. One more important information. A month and a half or so ago, we had asked for your help in getting time codes of all the random interesting, funny, weird, shocking things that you guys like from the podcast, and we'd make like a smaller cut of every episode with just the best bit. So the channel is called Tish Shorts. It's live right now as you watch it. And every day from tomorrow, we'll be putting out the shortened clips or like the best of every episode. So all those of you who've been helping us with the time codes, thank you so much. But I really, really hope and pray that all you other guys who had written in saying that you all want to work for it, please do it, because there's just a lot of shit to go through, and I think you guys would be the best judge of what y'all find random and funny.
Correct,
and
exactly.
weird. So
And
please
remember, exposition
continue
and-
to contribute whenever you possibly can. अब तुम काम करो तो काम करो, लेकिन जिसको भी free time है, please contribute to that Google Sheets page. And yeah,
and
lots
remember
more
there
Tish
is
Shorts to
there
come.
is and there is just remember exposition, graph, storytelling when you're making those notes.
Bucket. अच्छा डायलॉग लिखेगा तो बस डाल देने का, सोचने का नहीं.
बस.
Liver, fifra, appendix.
Alright. I still can't do a Salman impression, guys.
Guys, we
You guys-
completely forgot there's another track. It's called Radhe 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 Radhe.
Guys, some
Dude, in
lyrics.
his last movie, there was a lyric which was written in active voice and passive voice. It's the same
What is
lyric.
It's quite rich that you think they know active
No,
voice
it was,
and
what was that
passive
song?
voice.
One sec. That
It's
song
just-
was
it's all
जिंदा हूँ मैं तुझ में रहूंगा जिंदा. It's active voice, passive voice.
Baba, notice how they have done away with that error by just saying Radhe 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 Radhe
भाई,
Radhe 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 Radhe.
मस्त गाना लिखा है आपके लिए. क्या है गाना भाई? इसमें ना ऐसे था, राधे 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 राधे.
Why is this Anu Malik?
Stop से एक सेकंड. इसके बाद आएगा राधे राधे राधे
राधे
राधे.
राधे राधे राधे.
राधे राधे राधे
भाई आपको ऑलरेडी लिरिक्स पता है, देखो सबके जबान पे चढ़ जाता है लिरिक्स भी. राधे राधे
राधे राधे राधे राधे राधे राधे राधे
मुझे
राधे.
पूरे lyrics
Bye,
याद
guys.
हो गए. चलो शूट
But
करो
I
शेरा.
agree with
कैमरा
Adnan.
लगाओ, मेरे को शूट करने का है गाना.
Bye,
सर
guys.
डायरेक्टर बिजी है. अरे नो प्रॉब्लम शेरा, तुम शूट करो. प्रभु ने बताया अपना काफिरा.
मैं बंद
अरे
कर रहा है अभी.
लेकिन प्रभु देवा का मुंह और पैर और हाथ का है, दिखाई नहीं दे रहे. अरे क्या डायरेक्टर
Cut, cut, cut.
है.
बस ये guys, please. I can't stand this anymore.
काला